Hello. Today I am going to share with you about an experiment that was done in medieval times, and that experiment goes on to prove how our perception has an influence on our entire system. And after sharing the experiment, I'll also make an attempt to draw some inference as to how do we need to conduct ourselves in times which are challenging, which are demanding, which are difficult. So there was this scholar, his name was Ibn Sina. He took two identical lambs and put them in two different cages. He also took one wolf and put that wolf in a separate cage. Now, what was different for these two lambs was that from one of the cages, the wolf was visible, only visible. The wolf was in a separate cage, as I mentioned. And from the another cage, the wolf was not at all visible. The lamb did not even know that there is a wolf that is in existence somewhere close by. What was noticed that couple of months down the line, the lamb which was able to see the wolf, that lamb died. Now the question is, why did that lamb die? Even though the wolf was not able to create any kind of harm to the lamb, because the wolf was not able to reach them. Simple. Now that lamb died only because of fear, because of stress, because of anxiety that it was creating for itself, perhaps unnecessarily. It was only a perception, and that lamb died. Now, the inference that we need to draw for ourselves, is it true that we face challenging times? Yes, it's true. And it couldn't have been truer than the current times that most of us are facing. And in the absolute current time, there is news floating around from all around us. Every morning, every day, we are getting news from near and dear ones, friends, and so on, how people are slipping away. The question is that situation, which is very difficult, very challenging, is this situation creating fear inside some of us, fear inside many of us? And what is it that this fear will create? That fear is nothing else but a perception of a situation, and this perception changes the biochemistry. The way we perceive, that is the way we have secretion of hormones, enzymes, and various other chemicals in our body, and none of those chemicals is going to support us. That is why it's very important to understand that whenever we are facing a time which is challenging, which is demanding, which is absolutely difficult, but even in that time, what is important for us is, can we look at the brighter side of things which is happening? There are certain things which are happening which are on the right direction. There are people who are supporting, there are organizations which are supporting, there is machinery which is making a constant attempt to step up the infrastructure, provide whatever is requirement. And when we start looking at all this, that is when that we may start looking at the possibility, the hope, the positive side of the current situation. I really wish that nothing wrong happens to anyone. I really wish that things become normal absolutely immediately. I really wish it could happen. But things may take time. And in these times, we just need to start mastering, start holding on to our thoughts of hope and possibilities. And that is when we'll be able to keep our immune system strong. Remember that those secretions that I talked about a while back, those secretions ultimately influence the immune system, and depending on the immune system, we'll be responding to the environment around us. So that is why my submission, my suggestion at the end of this video is, please take very good charge of your thought process. Continue to engage into those activities which give you a sense of positivity, whatever they be. And the other way to look at it is, make a conscious attempt to stay away from that source of news which is providing you the negative news all the time. Be it a WhatsApp group that you may be a part of, be it the media, be it the news from TV, mobile that you are seeing. Continue to make that conscious attempt to remain in a positive set of environment. And let me say this, you can create that. I'm also reminded of quickly mentioning about a story of Viktor Frankl, who came through the challenging times of concentration camps of Nazis. And he mentioned it there too. In spite of whatever is happening in the external world, we can take charge of our internal world. And the moment we start taking charge of our internal world, even if we are going through a bad patch, the possibility of recovery is much faster in comparison to if we do not remain hopeful in those times. I wish you all the best. I pray that you all remain safe, all remain healthy, and let us continue to send our prayers to the entire world for its healing. The world needs to heal really, really fast. Let's join hands to do that, and in your own way, continue to pray. Stay safe, stay healthy. I'll meet you in my next video.